I remember working with a new mom who was nervous because every time she laughed or sneezed, she'd leak a little. She thought it was just something she had to live with after having a baby, but it doesn't have to be that way. I always say, strengthen your bladder, one squeeze at a time. Daily pelvic floor exercises like squeezing the muscles you'd use to stop the flow of urine and holding for a count of 5 can make a big difference. It's a small step that adds up to big confidence. You've got this and you're not alone. For more support, visit valui.com.au.